like kings of another age, lined in chrome along memory's stage. Each curve a whisper, each line a song, from roads where they have rolled so long. Tail fins rise like dreams in flight, catching echoes of neon light. Paintwork glowing deep and bright, liquid color in the night. Engines rumble, low and proud, not too quiet, never cowed. A steady pulse, a living sound that shakes the stillness all around. Steering wheels both wide and thin, hands that held the world within. Bench seats worn by time and tales of open roads and dusty trails. From city streets to country lanes, through summer suns and autumn rains, they carried laughter, love and miles, whole lifetimes wrapped in metal smiles. Now polished still they softly gleam, keepers of a rolling dream. Retro hearts that never part,